Namaste, curious mind. Welcome to Nomad, your go-to place for exciting discoveries. I am Dinesh, your host, and today we are diving into the lush world of trees and their health benefits. आज हम जानेंगे भारत के कुछ आम पेड़ों के बारे में और उनके स्वास्थ्य लाभ. Are you ready for a green adventure? Let's start with the amazing neem tree, known as the village pharmacy. Neem leaves are packed with antioxidants and can help keep our skin and hair healthy. Or up, meet the grand verbal, the banyan tree. Banyan tree provides shade and are believed to have a calming effect on our minds. Now, let's talk about the scared people tree. People leaves are known for the medicinal properties and are beneficial for digestive health. और ये है हमारा आम का पेड़, the mango tree. Apart from giving us delicious mangoes, it also offers vitamins and nutrients for overall well-being. And here's the holy tulsi plant. Tulsi leaves are not just aromatic; they also have antiviral properties and can boost our immunity. Oh, let's not forget the versatile Nayaka pear, the coconut tree. Coconut water is not only fresh but also hydrates and nourish our bodies. That include our journey into the world of incredible trees and their health benefits. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Nomad for more exciting green adventures. Until next time, रखो अपना ख्याल. Keep exploring the wonders of nature around you. Namaste.